Hey guys, it's Josh from Hoyu Professional. Thanks for tuning in. Today I'm here to introduce to you SOMARCA, our new color shampoo and treatment line. We've designed this with salon quality specifically for those who want to enjoy their salon color longer. So as you can see here, SOMARCA's got 4 colors, and we offer both a shampoo and a charge for each. And a charge is what we call the treatment. So as you can see here, blue, which we call ash, purple, pink, and brown. And what I wanted to talk about is what makes SOMARCA unique. So first and foremost, I want to talk about what's inside. Mostly with natural ingredients like macadamia nut oil and lanolin, so it's really great for your hair. And it boosts the treatment effect of SOMARCA. So a lot of times when you use other color shampoos that are on the market, a lot of times it makes your hair a little bit more difficult to manage. You can feel your hair getting a little bit more rigid. With SOMARCA, because it includes the macadamia nut oil, you don't have that issue at all. On top of that, when you're using this at home, a lot of times I know with color shampoos, it dyes your fingers and your nails, maybe even your shower, your bathtub. With SOMARCA, you don't have that issue as long as you rinse it off immediately after. So whether it's your hands and nails, your bathtub, just be sure to rinse it off immediately and there will be no staining. So I want to talk a little bit about each individual color. I'm going to start with ash. Ash is our best seller. As you can see, it is a blue shampoo. What's unique about this is even if you're not lifted out completely to a pale yellow, if you've still got a lot of orange and brassiness left, this will clear it right out. Not just for ash, but for all of our SOMARCA shampoos, we recommend using it once every 3 days. You are more than welcome to use it more frequently than that, but once in 3 days should be enough to get rid of brassiness. In terms of purple, everyone offers a purple shampoo, but our purple is a little bit on the lighter side. If you're not lifted out to a pale yellow or pretty close to platinum, you're not going to get much use out of it, but for someone who's that light, it's a great color. And then pink. Pink is not a color shampoo that a lot of manufacturers offer, but our pink is pretty unique. If you're familiar with our ProMaster color line in our Effect Color series, there's a color called Creamy Pink, and this goes just well with that. And then last but definitely not least, we've got brown. The ash here is really great for canceling out brassiness and warmth, but it does tend to pull cool the more you use it. So if you don't want your hair to pull towards the cool side of the spectrum, we recommend using brown so it neutralizes the warmth without going cool. So I know there's a ton of color shampoo and treatment products on the market right now, whether that's in salons or in the retail field. But I really urge you to try out SOMARCA. It's a great product. I know we've only covered it briefly here, but also in future videos, we're going to look more into what the color actually comes out as on real hair, and also how you can play around with it as well. So please stay tuned for that, and thanks for watching.
お気に入りもう個人的にはブラウン推しです。ブラウン推しっていうのが他社に全くないんで、ブラウンだとやっぱりユニークですし、あと白髪染め世代も使えるっていう。でこれ英語の方が良かったんですか？在庫がたっぷりあるんでブラウンを売らなきゃ。